there are 7 golden rules of vouching. The first thing what you will check is whether the date of the voucher falls in the accounting period subject to audit. What is the first golden rule? Come on, whether the date of the voucher, don't write, listen to me first. First understand. Come on, what is the first golden rule? Come on, whether the date of the voucher falls in the accounting period subject to audit. Repeat, my dear soldiers, whether. Sir, give an example, sir. Suppose say I am doing audit of 2013 and 14. Now date mentioned on the voucher is, say for example 15 July 2007. Can I record 15 July 2007 entry in 13 and 14? The client will tell, I forgot to record the entry of 15 July 2007. That is why I am recording the transaction now. Is it acceptable? Does it stand to be acceptable? Does it stand to be acceptable? It does not stand to be acceptable. So definitely it is not standing to be acceptable. So now what happens? So as a auditor, the date is not matching. So date is not sufficing the requirement. It does not stand to be requirement actually here. So I cannot take this date. Suppose say date is 15 July 13. Should I record it? Should I record it? Yes or no? Should I record it, my dear soldiers? Yes. So the first golden rule of vouching is that whether the date of the voucher falls in the accounting period subject to audit. Come on. What is the first golden rule? Come on. Whether the. Come on, repeat. What is the first golden rule? Come on. Whether the. Second one. Whether the transaction is properly recorded. What is the second one? Come on. Whether the proper account is debited, proper account is credited, whether transaction is properly recorded, you need to check. So, whether proper account is debited or credited, you need to check. Now, here, the supplier name is K. What entry you have passed? What entry you have passed? Purchase account debit to X account. Is it correct? Supplier name is K. You are taking into a wrong supplier account. Acceptable, not acceptable. Not acceptable. It cannot stand to be acceptable. You need to check that whether transaction is properly recorded, whether proper account is debited or credited. Then the third golden rule, whether transaction belongs to the client. What is the third golden rule? Come on. What is the third golden rule? Come on. Suppose say my client here is S International. I am doing the audit of his book. In the place of buyer, what name should be mentioned? S International. Somebody else's name is mentioned. Suppose say B name is mentioned, C name is mentioned. Now, is it acceptable? You need to check that whatever you have purchased is the purchase bill in the name of the client. Does the transaction belong to the client? Is the owner of the client? Somebody else's bill can I record in the books? Please tell me, yes or no? Somebody else transaction you cannot record in the book. You can never record in the book actually. So that is the one thing actually here. So whether the transaction is properly recorded. What do you need to check? Come on, whether the. Come on, repeat again one more time. Whether the. Repeat again one more time. Whether the. Repeat again one more time. Whether the. Properly recorded. Then next one. The next important thing what you need to understand is that check whether description of transaction is properly recorded. What is the fourth golden rule? Come on, whether the. What is the fourth golden rule, my dear soldiers? When you pass a journal entry, see we will pass purchase account debit to X. At the bottom what you will write being, yes, you will write some explanation, yes or no. Are you recording a proper description or not? You need to check. Suppose say you purchase automobile parts. After purchasing automobile parts, you are putting it a description as you purchase some inventory. You purchase some capital asset, but you are showing it as an inventory. Acceptable? Not acceptable. So you need to check that whether description of transaction is properly recorded. Is it related to the objectives of the business? Then next one, fifth golden rule. Whether the voucher is properly authorized. What is the fifth golden rule? Come on, whether the. Come on, repeat again one more time. Whether the. What is the fifth golden rule? Come on, whether the. One more time. Whether the. Repeat again one more time, whether the one more time.